to Flat Nasty for this melanoma awareness cancer event. It's a little over a 2-hour drive for us. We're about a half an hour in, and it's mostly back curvy roads to get there from here. So yeah, so we're gonna stop and look at that little baby turtle there.
Oh my gosh.
See that little turtle, Clara? So Clara doesn't feel very well, so we're going to stop and get something to drink and eat on the gas station on our trip here. So, should put us there around 11 a.m. So we're getting close. We're about 3.5 miles out, roughly, and it looks like this is a place where you put canoes in down here on this low water bridge. So I didn't know there was a canoe place down here, but looks like there's a lot of little side roads and maybe a campground down here also. So we'll be at Flat Nasty in about 5 minutes. I understand that, yeah. All right, so we just pulled into Flat Nasty and met with the melanoma awareness group, and got checked in and everything like that. I guess they're doing a crawling event down here, so we're going to make our way down here and see if we can get some good video of these guys crawling their trucks. Yeah, so it's really hadn't been a good day for us to even try to come out here and ride. I don't know if I've got a real bad cold or bad allergies or what, but I've been feeling terrible for the last 2 days. Both the kids have been car sick or something. So we probably won't be out here much longer.
Look, Mommy. Look at my legs. That's not actually auto. It's just white. It's like that's right.
So we're headed back from Flat Nasty. Is it Nasty Flat?
Flat nasty.
Flat Nasty. And it's been a terrible day for all of us. My allergies are kicking my butt. Probably the worst they've ever been. And the kids have both thrown up, I don't know how many times, 4 or 5 times. It's all.
Connor did one.
How many times did you throw up, Claire?
I did one. Connor did one.
Connor did 1 and Claire did 4. And I can't hardly see because my eyes are almost swelled closed. And it's all curvy roads to get there. So if you got kids that get car sick or anybody else that gets car sick, keep that in mind. Take some car sick pills or something. Anyway, we didn't get as much footage as we would have liked to just because we haven't felt well. Maybe next time.